It's not only Samsung that's stoking the fires of Tech January with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Co. OnePlus is also bringing some heat with its new OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R. The two devices are already official in China but will be getting officially announced for the globe market on January 23. And seemingly the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be very serious competition to both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and just about any flagship released so far in 2023. With cutting-edge hardware and the signature OnePlus attention to detail, there's little denying that the bar of our hopes is set quite high for the newest flagship phone. Could it be the OnePlus 12 might be one of the no-flaw phones of 2024? From the get-go, the OnePlus 12 isn't much different from the OnePlus 11. The underlying design languages is still present, just evolving in the right direction. We have the flowy emerald variant of the OnePlus 12 on US, and believe you me, handling this one is as good as it gets in early 2024. Inspired by New Zealand river streams, this particular color version of the OnePlus 12 has a very distinct satin texture with a fluid-like design that evokes dynamics. Though it appears to, the fluid-like visuals pattern lacks a distinctive textures. You can feel the consistent silky surface on the back panel by running your fingertips over it, and that's about it. I have to admit, albeit nice, the rear texture makes more one rather slippery phone as the lack of glossy surfaces prevents the phone from sticking to your palm. A case could be a necessity here. The OnePlus 12's weight and dimensions have increased, but its ergonomics haven't suffered. Due to the lack of flat edges and sides that dig into your palm, the curved back elevates the comfort. What's more, you are left with the impression of using a much smaller phone. The OnePlus 12 differs from the dominant majority of former OnePlus flagships when it comes to button placement. The volume rocker on the new phone is located on the right side, directly above the power button, where it is more ergonomic and is supposedly easier to reach. OnePlus trademark ring switch is located on the left side. Devoted OnePlus supporters will need to adjust to this change, but I can't imagine it would take long to get up to terms. The OnePlus 12 is the first flagship phone from OnePlus to include an IR blaster. IR blasters are often seen on Oppo and Xiaomi phones, and in all honesty, having a sensor of this kind has its practical advantages. Yet, it's certainly a surprising addition to the OnePlus 12's feature list. The OnePlus 12 comes with IP65 water and dust resistance, capable of withstanding low pressure water jets from any direction. Not as good as IP68, so dunking and prolonged contact with water best be avoided. The OnePlus 12 comes with a new 50-megapixel camera powered by one of Sony's new camera sensors, the Lite 808. A mostly similar sensor, the Lite T808 powered the OnePlus Open's main camera and delivered very decent image quality, so we have our hope set high for the Lite 808. However, the camera itself is slightly different. It's a bit wider at 23mm and with a faster f1.6 aperture too, while the OnePlus Open was tighter at 24mm and slower at f1.7 aperture. This means the OnePlus 12 could have a slight edge when it comes to low light image performance. OnePlus has also slightly boosted the megapixel count of the ultra-wide camera from 48 to 50 megapixel, but it's doubtful that would incur any major improvements in terms of quality. A trove of image processing and algorithm improvements is what could potentially improve the quality of the ultra-wide shots. Finally, the most importantly, a telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom is finally back on OnePlus flagships. After debuting on the OnePlus 7 Pro years ago, the 3x telephoto lens fell out of favor, resulting in a OnePlus 11 with a measly 2x telephoto. While not as impressive as the 5x and 10x periscopes of today, a quality 3x is still an improvement. Being the first Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship, it doesn't really have any similar powered competition just yet. However, as early as mid-January 2024, we'd see possibly the biggest rival to the OnePlus 12 unveiled, the Galaxy S24 series and S24 Ultra. If you are counting current gen device as viable competition, then many can be major rivals. The Pixel 8 Pro as well as the S23 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max could pose as viable high-end and premium alternatives to the upcoming OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 is among the devices that will set the general tone for 2024 in terms of flagship releases. And as far as the China exclusive phone release, it's shaping up to be quite the intriguing device as far as pricing goes, so let's be hopeful that the aggressive pricing will stick to the global version as well.